Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So, nothing really happening. Last week was a green bar, fairly strong green bar, and it did sort of close on this structure to the left here. It's not a very solid structure, but nevertheless, it is something we need to be paying attention to. We're still in an upward trend. No real risk at the moment of a double top. That would be a break below 37,258. So when you look at the 8 hour, you can see we're flirting here with 39,174, but not somewhere where I want to be going long, and I definitely don't think I want to be running short off that at the moment. There is better structure lower down, 39,020, and I would assume 3900, 38,987. So there's a lot of structure if you look left that we broke through last week. So that's something you do need to keep in the back of your mind. And at the moment, when you look at the 3 hour, strong move up through the week, but then sideways. Nothing really helping us there at all. And when you look at it on the hour, Friday's price action was just chaotic. So I'm kind of hesitant to be looking for anything. This should be some solid structure at 38,987, so there should be something brewing there. And the other option is to wait for a decent break of 39,174. When I say decent, not this kind of price action. I want it to run past quite a bit, then come back and test one of these tails, one of these breakouts. That would be the setup for the long. I'm not too keen on this 38,987, and the only reason for that is we broke through it quite aggressively, but there's so much other structure further down. If you look at this, there's an even better setup at 38,900. So I'd be very, very cautious of just jumping in at the moment. So it's a cat and mouse game today, I'm afraid. I don't think there's anything else in it. If you look at the 15-minute, look at this all over the place. No real direction on Friday. So I would want to be above the 150 EMA on the 15 like we are now. But I think recapturing this 39,174 and then coming back and testing one of these tails up, either the high of Friday or inside here, coming back to test that and then starting to move, that would set me up for the long, I think. The structure lower down at 38,987 and 38,900, yeah, there is something there, but just bear in mind that would be a fairly deep pullback to almost take out the gains done on Thursday. So I'd be very cautious about chasing something there. So this is just a signal that we are confused and we are traveling sideways. I suspect we're probably just going to range further while the oscillators ease off even more. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Break and retests of 39,174, but it's got to be a decent one, so a decent move up. Ideally break the high of Friday, come back and then find some structure and then start turning. That would be the setup for the long. And then the weaker opportunity would be around the 38,987, 38,900 for a opportunity to get long again. But I suspect we're just going to range in this zone that we're forming at the moment until we get some catalyst that's going to drive us. So yeah, so I think I'll be keeping quietly in my corner today. I don't think I'm going to bother with the Dow Jones. We'll wait for the proper break and retest. We need that on the hour before we start looking at this. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.